All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload to YouTube using Android. First thing you want to do is find the YouTube app on your Android phone and go ahead and click the icon. That's going to bring us into the app. And then in the upper right-hand corner, we want to click on the little camera icon to go into the upload interface. From here, it'll show you videos you have on your phone, so you want to make sure you select the one you want to upload. On the next screen, it does give you the option to trim that video. Hopefully, you got that all squared away and ready to go before you actually click the upload. But in this case, on this screen, it's going to prompt us to add a title. My preference on this is to actually do a majority of this stuff after it's successfully uploaded. So for that reason, I like to set the video to unlisted and focus on getting a successful upload to take place. And then we can go back into the video once it's on YouTube, square away all of our tags and full description and all of that. And then we can release it to the public once we've added our thumbnail and all that other stuff. So once you have set it to unlisted and clicked upload, it's going to bring you to this screen. This is certainly the longest part of the process, depending on your internet connection, whether you're connected to Wi-Fi or whatever it is. It can take a while for this to be successful. In this case, it's jumping around, 20, 25 minutes, 19 minutes. Who knows how long it's actually going to take, but we need to be patient on this part and try not to interfere with what the phone's doing during this process to make sure that you successfully get it uploaded. Once we do get a positive response back on the upload, then we can actually go into the video, make our tweaks, fill out a complete description and tags, make sure everything is good to go, add a custom thumbnail, and then release the video to the public. All right, so we want to wait for this to get to 100% uploaded. Once we get that positive message, it'll switch over and say processing. Processing happens on site, so we don't need to pay attention to it anymore. Now we want to be able to edit this in the back end, so we use YouTube Studio. That's what the icon looks like there. Go ahead, download that, go into the app, and click on the video that we just uploaded. In the upper right-hand corner, there'll be a little pencil icon. Click on that, and that's how we're actually going to make changes to the information about this video. Now, you see at the top, you have the option of clicking to edit the thumbnail. We'll get to that in a minute, but you want to make sure that you've added a proper title and a complete description, and then you want to go in and actually add keyword phrases that are relevant to your video. You can use a tool like TubeBuddy or Morning Fame to look up proper keyword phrases to use for your particular video. In this case, I'm just using your first video, but make sure yours are obviously relevant to the video that you are uploading. So we add those just to be safe. We click the save button to make sure all that's saved. But I want to pop back in here just to show you that you'll see at the top, you have the option to edit thumbnail. Now that's normally blank. I had already put one in here in this example, but when you click on it, it brings up any still images you have on your phone, and you can pick one of those as your thumbnail. Try to put a little thought into your thumbnail, maybe make a custom thumbnail using an app that does that sort of thing. And then select that thumbnail and click the select button in the upper right hand corner, and that'll apply it to the video. Now, when you're ready to go, all you need to do is come in here under privacy and change that unlisted to public. And once you select public and hit save, that goes out to everybody. It's live on your channel. It'll be available in search and through notifications and all of that. And you're good to go. That is the process of uploading a video and making it public so everybody can see it out there in YouTube world. Now, once you do upload that, you can also use the tool YouTube Studio that we just downloaded and used as a way to keep track of what that video is doing. That's kind of the behind the scenes where you see it as YouTube Studio on a desktop version. This is the app version of that that's going to let you to look at how many views and what your average view duration is and how many people are watching and commenting, and all of that is all available in this app. Obviously, all the numbers are blank right now, but as you move along with this video, you'll be able to come in here and actually see a lot of important metrics that explain to you exactly how your video is doing and give you some insight in what you could possibly do better on your next video to improve your numbers. So that's all there is. If you want to see future videos on Android that can help you simplify YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.